means if you get error code 279 in Roblox while playing any game, that means the network is not correct. And before that, if the Roblox itself is not launching, is not running, then what you should do? First of all, you should try to reinstall the software and see if it works or not. And then also, if it is not working, then you should update your Windows. So go to the Windows update and do the updates, necessary update. After the Windows update, if it is not running still, then do a clean uninstall, means remove the Roblox, and from control panel you can remove it. And after removing the Roblox, you should restart the system. Once the system is up, then you should go and click on the Roblox and play any games you want, and it will ask you to install the Roblox software. So it is saying download and install. So I will take the latest version, so I clicked download and install. So it is downloading here on the left hand side. Now I want to execute it, so run it, and it will install the latest version of Roblox. So it says Roblox is successfully installed. Click OK and you are good to run this application. So yeah, open Roblox. So you can see now Roblox is getting started and the server is up and running. So this is how you can fix your error code problem in Roblox. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.